Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different, and I am going to try and show you guys how to curl your hair with a straightener. This is something that I personally have struggled with for a long time. I've asked countless hairdressers to show me, countless friends to show me, and I think I finally got the hang of it, so I thought I would share it with you guys for all those people out there who I'm sure are also struggling with getting a nice wave from a straightening iron. So I'm gonna dive right into that video. Hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully I'll be able to do it. So the straighteners I'm going to be using today are Mark Hill straighteners. I honestly cannot tell you any more than that because I've had them forever. I got them from Boots on sale, and the only reason I can remember they're Mark Hill straighteners is because it says it on the little heat proof wrap that they come in. So I'm going to get these set up, then we will partition our hair and start curling, hopefully. So I've just plugged in my straighteners and set out my heat protection mat. I've put my straighteners onto 120 degrees and left them to warm up for a bit. While they're warming up, I just want to talk to you about heat protection. So I use this product. It's the Beauty Protector Protect and Detangler. I love this, it's amazing. I'm not going to put it into my hair now because I did it when it was damp after I got out of the shower, which is what it recommends on the bottle to do. It is basically a thermal protector, detangler, conditioner, UV protector, moisturizer. This stuff is a godsend. I got given a sample bottle in a Birchbox once and I was so impressed I went and bought the big bottle. It has literally lasted me forever, even though I put it in my hair every day. I cannot recommend this enough. Like, oh my god, my ring light just died. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Sorry about that, guys, having some technical difficulties. My ring light keeps turning itself off. I've just tried a different adapter, so hopefully that'll be better. But as I was saying, this stuff, get some, is so good. Like, I'm not even being paid to I'm not even being paid to endorse this. I just absolutely love it. It smells amazing, protects my hair, it makes my hair feel amazing. What more do you want? Enjoy. Okay, so my straighteners are heating up, the detangler's already and heat protector's already in my hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is partition it so that I can curl underneath first and then curl the tops. So to do that, I'm just going to take this massive clip and partition my hair. Now that my hair is all out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and try and do our first curl. Wish me luck. Okay, so the way that I usually do this, I usually always start on my left side, and I always try and have the straighteners pointing down. So I'm just going to take a portion of hair. I never try and take a bit that's too thick, because I never try and take anything that's a bit thicker than this, because just this technique generally gives you more of a looser curl than using a wand or something does. So the thicker it is, the harder it's going to be basically to get a curl out of it. So we clamp at the base. I roll away from my face and kind of roll twice until you can see the hair coming back out of this end, and then just pull down like that. We did it. So this is basically what I'm going to do all over my head. While I'm at the front, I'll just do another one slowly so you can see that again. So there you go. So there's our second curl. And while they're still warm, just don't touch them because it'll mess it up. So just leave them however they fall, let them be happy. If you do mess up, it's okay, don't worry about it. But while the hair is still hot, you can't recurl that bit. So if you accidentally do it and it straightens it because you didn't get the turning quite right or something like that, don't stress about it. Just leave that portion of hair to cool down and come back to it later. Don't worry, it's happened to me a billion times. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl the rest of my hair. So now you can see I've curled the bottom part of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest down and curl the top. I'm gonna leave my bangs till last. So the base, we're turning until we see that hair come through again, and then we're just pulling down gently. I'm just gonna go and do this half of my head. So for my bangs, I want them to just be a little bit softer. Don't worry, these are going to drop out. They're not going to look so separated when I'm done. But I'm not going to go in quite so high with my bangs. I'm going to start about halfway down. Just to give them a bit of cute. So I'm gonna now do the other side, and then when all the heat has dropped out, I'll just run my fingers through it, but I'll show you that when I get to it. So now that the curls have cooled down a bit, I'm just going to run my hands through my hair. Double check I'm happy with the overall look, which I am. Okay guys, so this is my finished hair. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is the kind of thing that I would just do every day if I just fancied a bit of change. I've got quite thin flat hair naturally, so doing this kind of wave really gives my hair a bit more volume, a bit more life.
What the fuck was that?
And because it took me so long to figure out how to do this, I'm really happy that I've shared some of my tips and tricks with you. If you have any more questions, if you enjoyed this video, please comment below, like my video, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Love ya.